Hello, I'm Dr. Christopher Kessler with Legacy Clinic of Chiropractic. As part of running our weight loss program here in the office, one thing that I commonly see is that patients have absolutely no idea what to eat for a proper breakfast. One that's going to be actually supportive of your entire system, one that's going to give you a good amount of energy, and one that's going to be a healthy way to start your day. The most important thing when you're eating breakfast in the morning is to have a good healthy fat and to have good protein first thing in the morning. If you can combine that with good fruits and good vegetables, then all of a sudden you have an absolutely wonderful mix to start your morning off right. Most patients come in and think they're eating a healthy breakfast. They tell me that they're eating a big bowl of Cheerios with a sliced banana on top. Problem is, if you're eating that first thing in the morning, all that is pure sugar, which is going to turn into more sugar inside your system. One thing that we like really a lot here in the office is Vibrant Health's Maximum Vibrance. Maximum Vibrance is an incredible supplement. It's a plant-based supplement made of all natural fruits, vegetables, grasses, all of which are cold compressed and put into here along with an all-natural pea protein. What we like to do is we like to take this supplement once a day in the morning and mix it, take 2 scoops, mix it with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin coconut oil, a handful of frozen berries, a little bit of almond milk and water, blend lightly and drink back to have an incredible start to your day. If you do this, you'll be having an adequate amount of protein, a good amount of fat, and a good amount of all natural fruits and vegetables from a plant-based supplement in order to start your day off right. So if you're not sure what to eat first thing in the morning, if you're looking to lose some weight and you're looking to get a little boost of energy, try the recipe now. For more information, go to our website. But once again, 2 scoops of Maximum Vibrance, 1 scoop of extra virgin coconut oil, a handful of frozen berries, a little bit of almond milk and water, blend and enjoy. Thank you so much. For Legacy Clinic of Chiropractic, I'm Dr. Chris.